Hey Oliver, thanks for getting back. Happy Monday. So right off the bat, I like the blue you guys have going, but this animation generally, when it comes to converting better on websites, keep you can have animations, but keep it more minimal, more subtle. This word animation, it's way too jarring. It's way too abrupt. I would do something way more simple, way less intrusive. It hurt. I could see it hurts readability. And in terms of the CTA, the colors you have are great, but this CTA is a white CTA. People, for some reason, a lot of times don't associate white with buttons. So I would just change this. I would just make this dark blue. And of course, question headers on landing pages and websites do not convert that well. So what's going to help is if you state with a proper header like what you offer, what is your unique selling proposition, and then having a subheader with how, and then adding a nice video sale that's going to really bring people in, get people to stay longer on your page, and show them all your offerings, whatnot. And then I see you guys get into it, co-founder message. The team comes later. More important is to have some social proof, some featured in logos right away. I see too you have the features, which is good, but I would do that later. What I would do first is benefits. So have a section like this, but do benefits right after the hero of what are the top 3 to 5 things that you deliver for your clients, for your customers. How do you help their businesses? How do you help them? So really start with those benefits after the hero, then get into more reviews, then you can get into the features you offer, then the process, and then you can get into the team. So nice. I see you guys are based in Saudi Arabia. Very nice. But I would, yeah, the team. There's a lot more sections. Those sections you're missing, and the biggest thing is you need to qualify people better as well by adding a FAQ section. So when I scroll down, I didn't see any FAQ. FAQ is really important because it's also showing people that you take your customers seriously and you vet people as well. It's not just people vetting you, it's you vetting them. So yeah, so these jobs, I guess these are jobs you're hiring for, but I would really just add more of the benefits. What you do, just add more of that. That's going to really help bring up the credibility, the authority, as well as just social proof. So it's missing a lot of social proof, and that's the businesses that are really the most successful. They have video content and social proof. So yeah, hope you found this valuable. Let me know. Please let me know if you're available to talk either tomorrow or Wednesday. I'm going to send my calendar as well. I want to make it as easy as possible for you to book a time. Please let me know. We'd love to chat more about this. There's a lot we can do on this site to just beef it up and just make it improve way more.